Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon MB2150. Now this is nice and simple, it will be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any of the button presses I do very clear so you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So first of all we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which will look like this. If you're not already there, there's a dedicated home button just to the left you can press to be taken here. Then we're going to use the right hand arrow over here to take ourselves along, and we're looking for setup, which is represented by that screwdriver and pliers combo there. So once we're there, press down and then OK to go in. And from here we need to go to device settings, which is one right press to the right and represented by this little icon you can see here, just with the little sliders. So press OK. And once we're in there, language selection is the fifth option down. So we're going to press down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. To run that fifth option, press OK to go in. And now we're here with a full list of all the different languages your printer uses. English is almost at the top. You can just navigate up and down with the up and down arrows until you have the language you want selected within the yellow box. Press OK and you're done. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.